iNon-Debrid. Alright, iNon-Debrid, a unique build. So it's basically a one-page build, and the backgrounds are, I don't know, it's like a trend now, isn't it? These Irish photography. So people getting their eyes sort of, photographed and having it displayed on big posters or key rings and stuff like that. So this is a non-Debrid build, and I could say it's got, I would say, right, I'm referenced because I'm a YouTuber. It's probably got the best, or handful of the best non-Debrid add-ons. All right, there you go. I said it. So I don't know, quite unique background, something different. Is a trend now. Like I said, you see the shops all over the place. You got them London, you got them up north. I see them in Spain, probably all around the world now. Yeah. All right then, guys, enjoy. There is an uncut link in the video description if you want to see more about this build, but this has to be edited for YouTube.